We work here as an intern. Kai, do you have any ingredients for Noah's date dishes?
We can serve him broccoli and rice. You know Noah into veggies, right?
Right. Some carrots and corns works too for him. And his chick crush Sam.
Very nice cat. Cole.
In fact, our dining tradition was having a veggie that goes well with any meat dishes.
Here you go, Noah and Sam. A veggie soup goes well with a rice.
Wow, thanks Kai and Cole. This is my favorite one. And Sam and I love rice too.
Bon appetit, Noah and Sam.
Sam, I was thinking, we really both had same feelings each other, right?
Right. I haven't been seeing a cool boy like you, Noah. Maybe this soup dinner date should be often.
Thanks, Sam. You're the best girl too.
Noah is really into vegetarian.
Sam, look out. Phew, that was a date disaster.
Oops. Sorry for ruining your night, Noah and Sam.
It's actually a successful night, Cole.
Thank you for the date, Noah. I know there's a disaster, but that's a really great date for both of us.
No problem, Sam. I'll plan a next date for you someday. Wait, Cole seems hard at crossing the streets over there.
How long I should wait here, you cheapskate supercars?
Variety.